Having trouble with audio in LDPlayer? Yeah. Sometimes games or apps just don't play sound properly. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix audio problems in LDPlayer in 2026. Step 1. Make sure your PC volume isn't muted and that LDPlayer isn't muted in your sound mixer. Sometimes it's just a simple setting causing the problem. Step 2. Restart LDPlayer. Close the emulator completely and then open it again. This can fix temporary audio glitches. Step 3. Make sure your PC audio drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can prevent sound from working properly in the emulator. Step 4. Check LDPlayer's audio settings. Go to Settings, then Advanced, then Sound Mode, and switch between OpenAL and Direct Sound. One of these usually fixes audio issues. Step 5. If none of the previous steps work, consider reinstalling LDPlayer. A fresh installation can fix deeper audio problems. Step 6. Some games or apps have their own audio settings. Make sure the in-game volume isn't muted or set too low. And that's it. Check your system volume, restart LDPlayer, update drivers, tweak audio settings, reinstall if needed, and make sure your app's volume is correct. Following these steps should fix most LDPlayer audio problems.